It's really big, so like the font is huge. It's about this. The letters are like this big, so I can read them from here.
So really, the song is 6 sentences.
Sometimes I just wish I was a fucking blues singer, you know. But no, I have to write lyrics. Chinese microphone. This song came off an album called Field of Crows, and I was angry. I was the wasp in the jar. That's when, I think, that was when the wasp became bigger, right, and the jar became smaller, right, or the wasp in the invisible box. Right? I remember sitting and watching in the TV. Ironically, I was talking with an architect at the time, and we were designing a building that had 2 towers, kind of like, not big towers, just 2 double-story things. Right? And he came round to my house and we were drinking coffee, and I saw the first plane hit the building, or the second plane hit the building. And it all changed. Everything changed for all of us. We flew into Sofia, into the airport, Sofia Airport, and they said there was a bomb warning. You know? It's like, fuck me. How many of us want to fight? This is a song that's, again, similar to Vigil. It's a song about us, right? Because suddenly, our generation, the world we live in, every time you travel to an airport, every time you go somewhere, the fear is there, security, da-da-da, la-la-la. And 9/11, no matter what you think about it, right, was the prelude to like a huge change in all of our lives, from Iraq to Afghanistan. And this is a song that's really about politicians, because we come from Great Britain. I'm from Scotland, right? And we were lied to. We were lied to. We were lied to about the weapons of mass destruction, and we have been lied to for so long. And this is a song I want to dedicate to the international soldiers that are fighting with the blue helmets. Right? This is a song that's dedicated to the soldiers who are out there in Afghanistan trying to solve problems that were created by politicians in the main. And this is a song for us tonight, now, under a starless sky. And this is called Innocent Party.